Switch machine. Press and hold the multi-function key for about 3 seconds. Release it after hearing the prompt tone to turn it on. Press and hold the multi-function key for 3 seconds. See the red light turn on and then go out. Let go and shut down. Bluetooth language switch. To switch languages, first, turn on the device. Long press the device for 3 seconds to turn it on. When the device is turned on and not connected to a phone, press the multi-function key 3 times to switch languages. Bluetooth pairing. Press and hold the multi-function key for 8 seconds in the shutdown state, until it enters pairing mode, and prompt to pair. Make sure R1 and the Bluetooth device waiting to pair, within 1 meter. The second step, select R1 in the phone's Bluetooth list to connect. Delete historical pairing information. Press the multi-function key while the device is on, and rotate the knob counterclockwise for 2 seconds. After seeing the red light flash 3 times, the red and blue lights flash. It means the operation is successful. Music function. Click the multi-function button to play music. Click the multifunctional button again to pause the music. Rotate the multi-function key clockwise to switch to the next song. Rotate the multi-function key counterclockwise to switch to the previous song. Volume adjustment. Rotate the knob counterclockwise to turn down the volume. When it is turned to the minimum, there will be a beep. Turn the knob clockwise without releasing to increase volume. When it reaches the maximum, there will be a beep. Phone function. When incoming call, press the multifunctional button once to answer the call. In the call state, press the multifunction button again to end the call. Double-click the multifunction key to reject the call. Recording function. Press and hold the power button of the recorder for 5 seconds to turn it on. Long press the power button for 3 seconds to turn off the recorder. In the on state, press the power button to start recording, and the second click will turn off the recording. Switch language. Long press the power button for 5 seconds. Turn on the recorder. Press the power button and the Wi-Fi button simultaneously to switch the language of the recorder. Video app features. First, insert the memory card into the device. Long press the power button for 5 seconds to turn on the recorder. Press the Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds to turn on Wi-Fi. Turn on the Wi-Fi function on your phone. Find the FreeConn device. The initial password is 12345678. Connect it. After connection, you can open the video app. Click the icon to open the recording function. Click on Device Video and Device Photos. You can preview, play, download videos and pictures. Open the app settings interface in the upper right corner, where you can set the recording.